Can we archive all messages on Messenger in one click? Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering we can or cannot, let's find out in this video. So go ahead and open up Messenger first. And once you open up Messenger, you should be finding this interface with all of your chats. So if you want to archive all of these messages all together, when you go ahead and try to select, you won't be finding the select option. So when you go ahead and try to select each of them all together, there is no such option on Messenger. So the only way is you need to go ahead and individually long press on the chat and tap on this archive option, and then there you go. So this is only the way right now we have to archive all messages on Messenger. You need to go individually to is chats and tap on archive. And once that is done, that should archive all of the messages on Messenger. So that's it for now. That's how we find out in one click we cannot do it, but we can individually do it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.